Hello and welcome to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm so glad you're here. Over the next 6 days, I'll bring you inside some of Montgomery County's most charming historic homes, each lovingly decorated for Christmas. As we explore together, you'll find inspiration, thoughtful decorating ideas, and the cozy feeling of the holidays. This series is all about slowing down, enjoying the beauty of the season, and making simple memories that last. If something brings a smile or sparks an idea, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Your stories make this community feel like home. You can say thanks by liking, sharing, and mostly by tapping the hype button below the video. This helps me spread the holiday cheer even further. So pour yourself a warm cup of tea or cocoa, settle in, and let's enjoy the 2025 Holiday Home Tour together. I hope this series brings you a sense of peace, comfort, and holiday cheer. Welcome to day 4 of our historic holiday home tour. We'll be making 4 stops today, beginning with the Montgomery Museum of Art and History in Christiansburg, Virginia. This is a regional hub preserving and interpreting Montgomery County history and promoting regional art. It's situated in the historic former Bank of Christiansburg building in the town square. This is a very interesting place as you're able to explore the bank vault and see all the inner workings and security measures. They've allowed local children access to some of the safety deposit boxes to create dioramas. Here we find the original camera used by W.H. Jewell Photography. You can see some of his photography there on the left, and it makes you wonder what he saw through this lens, possibly even our next stop, which is the Summit in Montgomery County. Built by William McClanahan Montague around 1856, the house, called Diamond Hill, was built in the Queen Anne style, and the home was originally surrounded by 10 acres of land, garden, and orchard. Now the Summit serves as a lovely restaurant. The roar of the fireplace is certainly welcome in this beautiful dining room, one of 3 offered now at the Summit restaurant. Each dining room has its own character and personality, inviting you to come in and sit down and enjoy a nice meal with your family or loved one. Our next stop along the trail is the St. Thomas Episcopal Church in Christiansburg, Virginia. Finishing construction in 1889, the St. Thomas Episcopal Church was a work of a new congregation in Virginia formed by the diocesan missionary group in an attempt to spread further into Virginia. On January 13, 1903, a fire in a nearby warehouse spread to the church. The congregation raised enough money to build the present St. Thomas Church, which began construction in the summer of 1903. The newly built church was constructed in the Gothic Revival style with a bell coat and pointed arch windows by contractor Morris C. Miller. I know it's not much to look at, but this rope leading up to the bell just mesmerized me. I've never seen one in person. And look at these lovely small peaked windows that grace the lobby of the building and beautiful solid wood doors of the structure. You know, such love and care went into the handiwork into this beautiful building. Our last stop today is a local bakery called Our Daily Bread, and I was immediately taken back by these interesting chandeliers covered in drinking glasses. That you can place your own drinking glasses in. How fun would that be in your home? Our Daily Bread offers plenty of tasty pastries, and they also have meal offerings. Today we're looking for something a little more festive to wind down the day and our tour of these historic homes. Beautifully decorated sugar cookies, perfect for any party, and the scones are mouth-watering. You never can have too many Christmas cookies, but we were on the hunt for gingerbread, and they did have some gingerbread house kits, but we settled on these gigantic gingerbread men. You'll see in a minute just how large they are. You can't tell on the table. The soldier caught our eye, so he was going to come home with us today. We decided to split him in half. He was $5.50, and look at the size of this guy. He was tasty and fresh and very soft. A great way to wind down our tour today. Thanks again for joining us. We have 2 tour days left in this series in Montgomery County, Virginia's Holiday Home Tour 2025. Be sure to meet me back tomorrow for the next home. Thanks for watching, and God bless.